Welcome to ELLIFLY, your very own brand voice platform that helps you find your brand, build your voice, and generate consistent content across all social media platforms. Our AI-trained platform does a brand consultation, voice analysis, and then helps you generate consistent content across all platforms. Our AI Voice Wizard. After you sign up, you'll be able to quickly pick your tier and get started. Before you can generate any content, our AI Voice Wizard wants to learn about you. We'll ask some introductory questions to make sure we're getting a chance to know who you are. Next, we'll ask your content topics to make sure you're staying on brand. It's important for us to understand those, as we'll be able to generate content based on those later. Then we want to know your voice style. How do you communicate? We ask you a number of different questions to make sure we really understand this. We also leave space for you to enter your own ideas to make sure your voice is really being heard. Once completed, we will do a quick calibration with different drafts, and you will tell us yay or nay. This analysis will help us tell whether we fully understand your brand voice. Once approved, boom, the magic happens. We now understand your brand voice, and your voice profile is complete. Now it's time to generate some content. You'll pick your preferred platforms just as a default for the system, and then it's time to generate. Here's an example of how it works. You'll pick a topic that you want to generate content on. You'll pick the platform that you want to generate it for, and boom, click generate. Within seconds, you'll have multiple variants of content for that platform, each with its own brand alignment score. Our proprietary brand alignment score tells us how well your content is aligned with your brand. After choosing which variant you want, you can also generate an image that accompanies your post. Save your image and post away. And after you post that generation of content, be sure to mark it as posted, because that's how you'll be able to keep track of your metrics of how well your posts are doing. That post will go to your content history, and you'll be able to adjust the metrics if you need to. This information is important because it helps us keep track of what's working. For creator mode, we also have a batch generator that allows you to generate multiple posts at one time. This is huge for brands who generate a lot of content on a lot of different topics. Now let's take a peek at your brand hub, which will show you your adjustable voice profile, content topics, brand foundation, and more. And if you're stuck coming up with ideas like many of us are, this hub has an AI content idea generator, which will generate 25 different topics for you, right on brand. From this hub, you'll also be able to generate a brand audit for when you have enough content. For TikTok users, we also developed a TikTok idea generator. And our downloadable brand voice guide is an awesome feature that you can share with your team. This brand voice guide really helps you understand who you are, what you stand for, and even some of your do's and don'ts. And as your brand continues to evolve, so does your brand voice guide. And listen, we all need our metrics, so we also have content performance analytics with all kinds of data that'll help you continue to manage your brand, and a weekly evaluation that you can check in on with a weekly content report. The ELLIFLY way saves the average user 10 plus hours a week and over $2,000 a month. So whether you're a business, creator, professional, or entrepreneur, the time is now.
ELLIFLY just got even more powerful with 3 new features. 1, a content calendar where you can generate, plan, and schedule your posts. 2, a brand website sync where you can sync your website in the Brand Hub. And 3, paste URL for better context. Check it out, www.ellifly.com.